Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. So today's video is going to be a chit chat, get ready with me. I really just wanted to play with makeup, but we also have a bunch of new makeup that I wanted to test out. This is also going to be like a Thanksgiving holiday inspired look. A little bit simple, a little bit glam, a little glittery, you know me. I can't do basic. So with that said, you already know. Grab your cafecito, grab your blanket, or grab your brushes and let's get ready together. Whenever I'm getting ready, I always have to pick out everything, like my outfits, my makeup, everything, just have it laid out so I have like an idea of what my day is going to be like. So really quickly, I just wanted to mention today's sponsorship, which is Dossier. You guys, I've been working with them for ever and ever and ever now, and these are the two scents that I'm currently rotating between. Like, look at how much product I use. I wish I could take these with me to my trip, which I will talk about later on in the video, but with flying and everything you can't. But if you don't know who Dossier is, they are an affordable perfume brand that is inspired from luxury brands. So they offer clean ingredients, they are vegan formulas, and their scents smell identical to the luxury brands. These are the ones that I have in current rotation right now. I have a floral one. I know that they changed the name and I can't think of the name right now, but this one is inspired by Acqua di Gio, which is one of my favorite scents. I feel like it's a very unisex brand or unisex scent. And then a fresh floral one, I know that they've also changed the name to this one, but this one is inspired by Versace's Bright Crystal. Oh my goodness, as you can see, this one is my favorite. I love this one. I spray it on myself all the time, and I spray it all over my room because it smells that good. Thank you, Dossier, for partnering up with me in today's video, and don't forget to check them out. All right, let's go ahead and start. If I'm being really honest, you guys, this is the second time I've actually filmed this video. This video was pre-filmed, ready to go, and then I lost my SD card, and I cannot find it for the life of me. I don't know where it went. So here I am, round two. So the brushes that I was talking about are the Ariel and Morphe brushes. I've already tried these because, again, this is the second time I filmed this video. I really like those brushes. Today's palette, I wanted to throw it way back to the ColourPop So Jaded palette with Kathleen Lights. I wanted to do something like glittery, excuse me, and this one has really pretty glitters. I think I'm going to use this one right here. So we'll see what we come up with, but let's start with prepping the skin, shall we? So today I'm going to take the Catrice, what is this, 1 Minute Face Perfector. This is like an OG for me if you've been watching me for a while. I love this primer. It's so good, and I decided to change the background today. I just want to go back and forth between this and then the other one. I'm actually thinking of putting up a Christmas tree in here because I do have a lot of room, but I felt like it was too early. So maybe after Thanksgiving, you guys will see like a little Christmas tree where the plant that I have in the background usually is. So for my foundation, I'm going to use this one by the brand LYS. It is the Conceal the Deal Flawless Clean AF foundation. I tried this one in my Sephora haul, and I love this foundation. This is all I've been wearing. For my foundation brush, I'm going to use this one by Ariel and Morphe. This one is the A24. I really like this brush. The first time I tried it, I was like, it's alright. But the more that I've used it, I actually really like it. It's very soft, and the bristles are so nicely like compacted in there that it makes the application so seamless, and it helps with this foundation. It's just that amazing. So I'm just gonna push the product into the skin. But anyways, what are you guys' plans for Thanksgiving? I don't think I've told anybody really besides like my friends and family. So we are flying out to Utah. Woo woo. If you guys know me, I am originally from Utah. That is like my hometown. I mean, I wasn't born in Utah, but I pretty much was raised in Utah. Like, I finished high school there. I bought my first car there. That's where I met my husband. I had both of my kids there. Our first home was there. So Utah is my home, and out here in Texas, we literally have nobody. It's just me, my husband, my kids, and then my sister. So I mean, yes, we have them, but it's not the same as having like friends and family, you know. So I am so looking forward to just having a nice vacation, a nice like little getaway, not having to worry about work, which is another point that I wanted to get to. I won't be posting a video this coming Wednesday and Friday, and I might not have a video up for Monday. Actually, I won't have a video, so I'll just be gone. I usually really like to plan ahead and just prepare everything because I'm just a perfectionist like that. But I was like, you know what, I really need a break. I just really need to just distance myself from social media and just spend time with my family. By the way, I'm using the NYX Bear With Me Concealer Serum. This like went viral all over TikTok, and I really like this stuff. It's so creamy and it looks super luminous underneath the eyes, and it has great coverage. So if you guys can get your hands on any shades, this stuff is so good. Like, thank you TikTok for always putting us on, right? I am also going to use the sponge that came in that little Morphe and Ariel set. If you guys don't know who he is, he's known to be Kylie Jenner's makeup artist, but he's just a celebrity makeup artist. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend this out just like that, and I still have a little bit left, so I'm just going to dot some on my chin so I don't have anything go to waste. But yeah, you guys, I am so excited to be flying back home. My mom is actually out there. This powder is new. I bought it from the Sephora VIB sale. This is by the brand LYS Beauty. I've never tried this brand before. I saw Tati talking about it, and honestly the packaging just really intrigued me. This is a setting powder in the shade Banana, so I am going to set underneath my eyes. I'm just like tapping it. This does have a little bit of a yellow cast. I have other banana shades that don't have nearly as much yellow cast as this, but I like the formula. It's really nice and it's like finely milled. So another LYS product that I bought is their bronzer in the shade medium. The packaging is just so cute, honestly. This is why I got it. I'm going to use this brush, the A21, and I'm just tapping the bronzer onto the forehead. I love this bronzer. It's super pigmented. I'm actually going to bring this one with me to Utah because it's just been my favorite, and since it's new, I figured I would let him travel with me. We are actually leaving tomorrow. You're seeing this video on Monday, and Tuesday we fly out, and I'm so excited. I don't mind flying, especially because Brian is coming with me. Last time when I flew into Texas, it was such chaos because I had Lincoln with me, I had Lonnie with me, and it was just me by myself because Brian was already here signing the papers for the house and just getting everything ready. So definitely excited that I'm not going to be flying alone because that was a nightmare. I'm going to take a little bit of a liquid blush by Rare Beauty. This one's called Bliss, and I'm going to use this brush right here. I know that these dry down to a matte, so I don't mind going on top of it with liquid with powder because it will dry down. This is such a pretty color. I think it complements a lot of skin tones, honestly. The last product that I bought from the LYS brand is this beautiful highlighter in the shade Champagne, or it's called Brave, but it's a champagne shade and it's so beautiful. This is like a very blinding highlight, so a little definitely goes a long way. Skin is looking pretty good. I went ahead and primed the lids, so let's jump into the So Jaded palette. The first shade that I'm going to take is, let's take Citrine, which is actually the color that matches my shirt perfectly. And again, I'm just going to use the same brushes by Morphe and Ariel. I haven't used this palette in what feels like years. If you guys have this palette, let me know if you guys even use it. It's just, sometimes I just buy palettes to either support the artist, the influencer behind, or just because it looks beautiful at that moment and then I never use it again, which is just, you know, typical of any makeup lover. But this palette is actually really good. Like, I really genuinely enjoy the ColourPop palettes that come in like bigger pan, but then I also feel like I don't use them as much because they are so big. It's like, well, what do you do with so many shades? it's almost too much at once, you know? But anyways, so yeah, that is a little update with that. I'm going on a mini little vacation, just going back home, visiting family, spending time with family on the holidays, and then my mom will be coming back with us, and she will stay here the remainder of the year and hopefully fly back home after New Year's. So it'll be nice to have her here so we're not so alone for like Christmas. And this is Lincoln's first Christmas, which I am so excited for. Next, I'm going to go with the shade Carnelian, which is this burnt orange. And I'm going to use the A20 brush. These brushes are really good. Like this entire brush set, you guys, it's just really, really good. So I'm going to go ahead and lay that. Oh, that is so pigmented. Last little update that I wanted to share with you guys is that we finally launched new lashes. If you guys missed the Saturday upload, it was like a random upload, but we finally launched new lash styles on to the website. I know it's been kind of like slow, but you know, it is a small business, so I can't do what big businesses do. And I'm so happy with everything, how it turned out. So I really hope you guys enjoy the lashes when you get them, and I can't wait to see all your pictures and all your recreations. And of course, I will be wearing some of my lashes today. If you guys missed that video, I will have a link up here if you guys are like, well, what are you talking about? So make sure you go check that out. I do want to add a little bit of glitter, so I'm going to take my J-Cat glitter glue and I'm just going to dab it on the center of the lid. And then I'm going to take the pressed glitter in Topaz. And I'm just going to press it. Ooh, that is so pretty. That looks so pretty. Okay, I like this so far. Let's apply some mascara. And then for my lashes, I'm going to top it off with my lashes. Today's style is going to be 1990. Lashes are on, and honestly, I think the lashes paired perfectly with this eye look. So to pretty much finish everything off, we are going to apply our lipstick. I'm going to take the Bite Me lip liner, and I'm going to go in with the NYX London Soft Matte Lip Cream. These are some of my favorite like drugstore lipsticks because they're so soft and creamy. The only thing that I have to say though is that these aren't very long wearing. Like they're not your typical liquid lipsticks. For some reason these just wear down really easily. I'm going to add a little bit of First Base from Morphe just to the center of the lips. It's just going to tone down the lipstick a little bit more. What do you guys think? I really love the way this turned out. Like I love when I just like freehand my work, because often that is when chef's kiss, it comes out the best. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to check out Dossier and use my code in the description box down below, because the holidays are coming and I'm telling you, you guys, you can find so many perfumes. So I can't wait to see your recreations. I love you all. Have an amazing Thanksgiving, and until next time, I will see you all in my next video. Bye.